Hey YouTube, Jack's back, and we have 3s in the morning. Grab a cup of coffee. It's going to take a while. We got Bolt Bucks 5 through 9, and we've got Killer Block Crosswords. Got 2 of these, 11 and 12. Hopefully we find some wins on these. Killer Block Crosswords can be good. Had a decent win on them. I think $50. That's not a lot. You know, you can either win by getting all the letters in one of the blocks, or you can get 5 words for 3, 6 words for 20, etc., etc., etc. A, I, O, U, and E, so we have all the vowels. ST, we don't have an L, and R, we have an N. We don't have an L or an R. So we know we don't have this word. We don't have this word. No, we don't have that word. Or that one. Or that one. Or that one. We could have choose. We don't. C. We get rid of that one. And we don't have that grid. We have undo, that's a word. We also have the S and the T here. We couldn't end up getting this grid yet. Also the Y and the S. Nope, don't have a C, so that grid's out. Don't have enough words, we're not going to win with them. The emotions are word that we got though. But we don't have the R. So we know that grid is not going to pay. Now we'll scan these just to be sure, but yeah, that's not going to pay. Get this to fold correctly. Make sure you grab your cup of coffee. It's going to take a while to do these. Enjoy it. Sit back, relax. And let's see if we can figure this out. That's an I there, just remember that. So we know we don't have the L or the R. So that means that word's not there. Neither is that one or that one. And we have an L down here too, so that means we're not going to get a grid. At least one letter missing from each grid, but who knows, maybe we will figure out a way. We have an R. We have noise. Maybe we'll get $20 by having 7 words or whatever it takes. We don't have a C for buck. Do we have bump? B-U-M-P. Nope, no P either. Guess we're not gonna have a winner here because there's no G. Nope, this one's definitely a loser. Scratch and scan. Okay, try this one. Maybe ticket 12 will come through for us. A, E, I, U, we don't have an O. Or an L. Well, we're going to go with O and L this time. So get rid of element. No O. And no O. And no O. No L. No L. We have deed. We need 5 words. Is it possible? And no F, so we lose that one. Have straw. Defrost. That's a long word. We don't have the F. So yep, top grid did not win. We still need an O and an L for the bottom grid. Let's see how that comes together. Fold it up here. Play the O and the L. Cross out anything that has them. Ant's a word we got. Not a lot of letters in this top grid here. H-E-R-E, we have that word. I-N-D-E-X, we have index. All we need is the S, the B, and the I, and we have all those. So we got this grid, we have a winner. Now we gotta see if we can find words. How about strong? S-T-R, no O. No, the O is out. The O is out on that one, so we have no grid. We can get either of these grids. Recital. I did not see recital the first time I read that. And we don't have the L because we have no O or L. No L there, no O, no O, and no O. We have time. Yeah, we have time, but I don't think that's enough words. One, we have here, and 2, 3, 4. Yeah, just 4 words. We got to see what our prize is for getting the green one. It's a $10 winner. That's not too shabby. Take a $10 win on the color block crossword. Got 2, win 10. Okay, here we go. It is time to play the grid game bolt box. If we find a bolt in the winning pattern, we win an extra 3 times the prize. Other than that, we got the bolt right off the bat. A bolt and a star. Got a bolt there. Any other bolts? Any other stars? No. How about a diamond and a necklace? Pearl necklace. Don't see a diamond. How about a wallet and a crown? A wallet, yes, we got a wallet. Going to the same spot down here. Any crowns? No. Keys in a bag. A bag and a key. Boy, we're not getting much here, are we? Am I missing something? Huh. Ring and ruby. Ruby. That's the ring. And up above we have no ruby and no ring. Stack of coins and grapes. We do have a stack of coins. We do have grapes. Oh, there's a diamond. I missed it earlier. Now we need pig and gold. Sunglasses and gold. We got the gold and sunglasses. Got gold up here. Okay, we need silver, pig, pot of gold. The light didn't help us, and neither did the cloud. Light, and then cloud. How about a mustache and a VIP? VIP and a mustache. Looks like a loser. So that one looks like a BFL. On to the next one. Hopefully number 6 will come through for us. Horseshoe. Key. Got the key. Don't see a shoe. Glasses and VIP. A moon and coins. Coins and a moon. see the moon. I do this a lot on these tickets, but if it makes any difference, I'll put it at the end of the video. In other words, if I missed a winner, umbrella and a crown. But if it doesn't make any difference, I would not put it there because I won't check them. I just scan them. Ring and lock. A ring and a lock. Where is the ring? Do not see a ring. How about a bag and a mustache? We got the bag. We have a mustache. Oh, there's some sunglasses. I might notice them as we go. And there's a mustache. Still don't see the ring. A bolt and silver. The bolt and the silver coin. Money and rainbow. Rainbow money. No rainbow or money down here. Last spots. The heart and a diamond. Diamond and a heart. It does not look like a winner to me. Maybe the next one. Let's hope. Dollar sign and ruby. Ruby down here. Don't see a dollar sign anywhere. Diamond in the key. Keys we can have, diamonds, I don't know. Don't see one. Gold in a bolt. Get the bolt every time. Ring and sunglasses. Ring and sunglasses. We got the ring. Just 2 sunglasses. Nothing above. Pearls and a light. Got pearls. Don't see the light. Mustache and clover. Clover all over. Need a safe. Got a moon and coins. A heart and a cloud. Got a mustache down here too. We got a moon down here. We need the VIP now. Heart and cloud. Oh, we got pearls. Need the pig. Something good here. A star. And a horseshoe. And all that did was tease us. A little closer, but no winner. Well, that's 3 of them in a row. Losers. What are the odds? 1 out of 5. 1 in 4.5. 1 out of 4.5. 4.54. So we should get a winner out of these 5 tickets, right? Of course we should. Should get a winner on the last 2, I think. Diamond and lock. Diamond and lock. Start at the bottom now. We got the bolt and coins. And coins. How about a necklace in the moon? A pearl necklace. And do we have a moon? I don't see one. Nope. Umbrella and pig. No pig. A light and a ruby. I saw the light. And I saw the ruby. And I saw another ruby. We need a bag, silver, a ring, and a star. Money and sunglasses. Now we need a pot of gold. We got gold, but not the right kind. Gold and a heart. Heart. See any gold? A key and rainbow. How about a ring? No other rings. Last spot wallet. That didn't do us any good either. The bottom grid had a lot of stuff found on it, but didn't manage to get a win out of it. Well, one last try. 3's in the morning. Got a $10 win. We're what? 5, 6, 7, $21 into this. Got to do something here. Well, we start with the 3 times bolt. And the gold bar right next to it. How about ring and light? Ring, and I don't see the light. Oh, there's light. That's got to be the weirdest symbol they've ever had. $sign and money. Coins in the bag. No bag. Moon and sunglasses. Moon. Sunglasses. Mustache. Clover. Clover. Mustache. Mustache. A ruby and a heart. Key and lock. Lock, no key. Diamond and silver. I don't think so. Well, it looks to me like we lost. Even when I take this clover. Yep, missed a few, maybe. But I don't think we missed anything that matters. Could used a wallet for a win. Well, that's 5 in a row losers on these. This is going to be a tough game, just like the last one of these we had. One winner, 3's in the morning, $10. If anything else I missed, I'll put it at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you had a good Saturday morning, and I hope the rest of your day goes great. Told you I'd be back if I missed something. I did miss something. I missed the mustache down here for the win. And we did get a win. What is it? Yeah, $3. But hey, at least we did get a win out of it. 13 back, 21 spent. Better than nothing.